Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we'll design the simple part in FreeCAD step by step using these dimensions. So first click new file by clicking this icon, new file, and now switch to Part Designer bench, and now create new body, create new sketch in XY plane, and here draw this sketch. So pick the polyline tool and draw this sketch. Press N 3 times to get this arc, and now click on this point here, and now constrain this line. Pick this tool and constrain this line, and now constrain these 2 points and give this line a dimension of 4, and the distance between this point to this point 6. And now close the sketch, press on, select the sketch and go to add comment, and here in the length you change to 25. As you can see, we have a length of 25 to the pad, so change here to 25 and check this option, symmetric to plane, and press OK. And now create a new sketch in XY plane. Switch to section view, clicking this icon, and now pick this command, center the rectangle, and now let's constrain this sketch. So give this line a length of 4 and this line a length of 50, and press close. And now go to pad command, and here we say length is 10, and check this option, symmetric to plane, and press OK. So what we need to do next is to do these 2 pockets, this pocket and this pocket. So first we select this face here and create new sketch. So now pick this command and draw this rectangle, delete this line, pick the arc tool and draw this arc, the length of this line will be 10, and the radius of this arc change to 10, and here distance between this point to this point 60. And now close the sketch and go to pocket command, and here we change the type to triangle and press OK. And now the next step is to do this pocket. So select this face and create new sketch, and here switch to section view and pick these two, draw this slot here, give this arc a radius of 5, and pick this command and say that the center of this arc to the origin, the distance is T2. Okay, and now leave the sketch, go to pocket command, and here change to toggle and press OK. So now the next step is to draw this part in these pockets. So let's do that. So again, creating a sketch in XY plane, and here we will pick this command and draw this rectangle. Switch to section view and give this line a length of 40 and this line a length of 50. Okay, and close the sketch. And now what we'll do is to change the attachment of this sketch. To do that, select the sketch and click on mouse and go to attachment editor. So here go to this direction, X direction, and change it to -50. Okay, press 1 and now go to the Z direction and put -5. And now let's rotate the sketch. So select the y-axis, change it to 45 and close this. So now select the sketch and go to add command. The length will be 10, so press OK. And now we have this part. What is missing is to do these pockets and this fillet. So first we will do these 2 pockets. So select this face and click the sketch. In the sketch, draw 2 circles. Make these 2 points merge to this line. And now make this circle equal to this circle and give it a diameter of a diameter of 10. So the diameter of the circle will be 10. And now the distance between the center of this circle to extract this edge here, and now select this command and say that the distance between this point to the center of this circle is 10. Yes, and the distance between these circles is 25, as you can see. No, it's 20. Change it to 20 and now press close and go to pocket command and in the type change to triangle and press OK. And now what we have to do to have this pocket is to reuse the sketch. So go to this pocket and click in this arrow and select this sketch here and click on mouse and copy this sketch. Select only this sketch and press OK. And now pass the sketch space to make the sketch visible, and now drag it to the body. And now double click in this sketch to open it, and here we'll change the diameter of these circles. So the diameters of the circles is 14, change this diameter to 14. Okay, and now close the sketch and go to FreeCAD command, give it a length of 2.5 millimeters. Okay, and now let's fillet these two edges. So the value of the fillets is 8. So select this edge and select this edge, and now go to this icon, the fillet, and here in the reds you change to 8 and press OK. And now we have the part. We designed this part in FreeCAD. So the video ends here.